Namaste. My name is Yogacharya Rakesh from Samyak Yoga, Mysore. In India, we are celebrating Navaratri, a 9 days festival celebrating 9 different dimensions of Shakti. During this auspicious occasion, let us rewind and look back 9 yoginis that every spiritual seeker should know about. In this channel, we will be presenting the subtle layers of yogic practice, the bright side of life, and some hidden stories of yoga practice and philosophy. Subscribe Samyak Yoga YouTube channel for more such videos and press the bell icon for notification. Number 1. Gargi Vachaknavi lived in somewhere around 7th century BCE. Daughter of Vachaknu, Gargi was considered to be a Brahmavadini, the one who has seen or experienced the Brahman, the consciousness. She was considered to be one of the wisest of her times, having an in-depth knowledge of the Vedas, the Upanishads, and the philosophies. Gargi's debate with Yajnavalkya on the evolution of the cosmos, the nature of the consciousness, and other intricate details of philosophies is elaborated in Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. She was one of the Navaratnas, 9 gems of King Janaka of Mithila. Number 2. Ghosha. With an in-depth sadhana, she was able to learn Madhuvidya, one of the secret practices in spirituality, directly from Ashwini Kumaras. She was also considered a Brahmavadini and contributed in the composition of Rigveda. Number 3. Maitreyi. Another Brahmavadini, one of the wisest of her times, an Advaita Vedanta philosopher. The philosophical discussion between Maitreyi and Maharshi Yajnavalkya with regards to the spiritual practice and immortality gives an essence to the Upanishadic concepts. Number 4. Mirabai. Mirabai was a 16th century mystic, a Bhakti Yogini from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Coming from a royal family, she broke all the social barriers and considered Lord Krishna as her husband. She is considered to be the icon of Bhakti Yoga, and the countless bhajans are named after her. Number 5. Andal. Similar to Mirabai, it was Andal in South India, particularly in Tamil Nadu. Lived somewhere in the 7th century, she has become the icon of Bhakti Yoga, the yoga of devotion in the southern part of India. She has composed Tiruppavai and Nachiyar Tirumozhi, 2 major texts on Bhakti Yoga, and Andal's contributions are considered to be the highest expressions of Bhakti Yoga. Number 6. Akka Mahadevi. Lived in the 12th century in Karnataka, she had literally revolutionized the Bhakti Yoga movement in the south part of India. Akka Mahadevi's Vachanas, the spontaneous mystic poems, are an expression of not only Bhakti Yoga but also other layers of spiritual practices. She had challenged all the social norms and immersed in Channa Mallikarjuna or Shiva and considered him as her husband. Number 7. Sharada Devi. Sharada Devi was a mystic saint and a spiritual consort of Swami Ramakrishna. Though she did not write any particular text, her spiritual teachings have been the guiding force for yogis and yoginis across India even today. Number 8. The Mother. Known by the followers as the Mother, the mystic, the spiritual guru, was from Paris. After meeting Sri Aurobindo, she found the master teacher in him and stayed in India. She developed the Aurobindo Ashram in Pondicherry, started a school, and established the Auroville, an experimental township for the development of human unity and evolution. Number 9. Anandamayi Ma. In the words of Swami Shivananda, she was the most perfect flower the Indian soil ever produced. She taught how to lead a God-centered life and advocated for spiritual equality for women. Her teachings were always full of songs, jokes, and instructions on how to live everyday life with the spiritual practice. If you think people should know not just about yogis but also about yoginis, share this video with others. Spread the light with love.